Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is vlogmas day 12 and today I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset, getting my apartment together for the new week. And I'm also going to be planning a little for the new week, just write down what I want to accomplish this week. I haven't did that in a long time, so I'm going to do that this week. And I'm also going to be cooking myself a delicious dinner. I want to make some chili and cornbread, so that's what I'm going to have. Yeah, so if you want to see that, to continue watching, I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the shower is really dirty right now. Has just shade and all that. So it's honestly a mess. Got some dirt. So we're about to go ahead and get this back to looking squeaky clean because this is not acceptable. Alright, so while I'm letting that sit for a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and get the sink and mirror clean. The sink is actually not that bad, but we still gonna get it clean. Now let's get this mirror together. The mirror is actually not that bad either. It's really, for the bathroom part, it's really just my tub that's dirty, like extremely dirty. All right, we got the tub together, nice and clean.
But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how he said.
Next thing I want to do is clean the stove. It gets dirty very, very fast. Literally, after I clean this, next time I use the stove, it'll be dirty again. The oil goes everywhere, even when I have it on low. But yeah, so I'm about to clean this, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is clean my dirty floor. This is all that I swept up from my entire apartment. Let's go ahead and start cooking. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So we have tomato sauce, red kidney beans, diced tomatoes with green chili. Then we have the ground beef. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you want to use, but I like ground beef. Green onion, got some cheese. And then these are the seasons that I use to make this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by getting my ground beef cooked, and then I'm gonna put everything in the crock pot. Now it's time to add everything to the crock pot. So here is the ground beef. I'm going to add the tomatoes and green chili. You know, this would be so much easier if the freaking top would have came off. but there we go. Okay, that's how it's looking. Now I'm gonna add my beans. I already drained them. Make sure you drain them. And I was told yesterday when I was talking to my boo that some people don't like beans in their chili. And I was like, what? Who doesn't like beans in their chili? So if you don't like beans in your chili, then don't add them, but I like beans in mine. Now we're gonna add the tomato sauce. This is about to be so good, bro. I'm so excited. Before I moved out, I would go to Wendy's literally about 2-3 times a week. Oh, actually not. And I would get chili and a 6-piece nugget. And then once I moved on my own, I was like, bro, I might as well make my own. I'm gonna buy myself a crock pot and I'm gonna make it myself. And it was so good. It was better than Wendy's. Homemade is always better though, in my opinion. As y'all can see, it's on low. And we can put this top on. So I'm back in the house now. This is what I use to make my cornbread. So I use 2 eggs, brown sugar, some sour cream, vanilla. I have 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread and some milk, and I have butter. I like for mine to be sweet and moist. You can definitely just go with what's on the box, but this is how I like mine. Then I got my bowl. I definitely need to buy a bigger bowl, but I done made this cornbread probably about 4 or 5 times now, and that's what I've been using, is this. So we're gonna use it again. I already have my oven set to 400 right here, set to 400, and I'm about to be using this pan. Okay, so I have one half cup of brown sugar. This is supposed to be 1/3 cup, but I did not realize that I was out of sour cream, so this is all that I could scoop up. And then 2 capfuls of vanilla and 2/3 cups of milk. Now let's go ahead and pour this into the bowl.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got.
Okay, so I did have this pan in the oven. Now I'm about to add some butter to it. It is hot. Add some butter. And then we're gonna put the cornbread in there and put it in the oven.
Isn't an option. Due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Put your sweats on.
Now let's go ahead and put this in the oven. I'm gonna leave mine in for 21 minutes.
Night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say.
This looks so perfect. So pretty. How the chili is looking. So yummy. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good, bro.
that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
So beautiful. So here is my chili. Hope that y'all enjoyed this little cooking part, because I enjoy making this and I'm about to enjoy eating it. Now I'm about to go ahead and write in my journal what I want to get done this week.
Time to keep